So, good day. In this video, you're going to learn how to identify parameter, statistics, population, and sample given a situation. And I'm going to give you three examples for this topic. And we have here parameter versus statistics. And our task is to identify the population, the parameter, the sample, and the statistics in each of the following settings. When we say population, it is a complete collection of individuals to be studied. So when we say sample, it's just a subset of the population. And when we say parameter, it is a numerical measurement that we obtain from the population, while statistics is a numerical measurement that describes the sample. Okay. So I have here example number one. A pediatrician wants to know the 75th percentile for the distribution of heights of 10-year-old boys. So she takes a sample of 50 patients and calculates quartile 3 is equal to 56 inches. So ang ating individuals or subject natin dito na pinag-aaralan ay yung ating 10-year-old boys. So yung complete collection nitong ating individuals na pinag-aaralan is our population. So therefore, ang ating population dito ay lahat ng 10-year-old boys. While yung ating pong parameter ay di yung quartile 3 or 75th percentile nung lahat ng 10-year-old boys. Okay? At ang sample natin dito, yung pediatrician ay nag-random sampling ng 50 patients. So yung 50 patients na 10-year-old boys, yun yung ating sample data. And the resulting numerical measurement from the sample data is our statistics, which is equal to 56 inches. Okay, so we have the second example. A research center said that 80% of the 12 to 17 years old in the Philippines have a cell phone. A sample of 1,102 12 to 17 years old were randomly selected and asked if they have a cell phone. Of the respondents, 71% said yes. So ang ating population dito ay lahat ng 12 to 7 years old in the Philippines. Okay? With or without a cell phone. Ang ating parameter is the proportion of 80% of the population have a cell phone. Okay? And the sample natin, randomly selected from the population, is 1,102 na 12 to 17 years old. And yung 71% natin, yun yung ating numerical measurement na ginawa dun sa ating sample data. So the proportion is 71% of 1,102 12 to 17 years old ay may cell phone. Okay? And that is example number 2. And lastly, we have the third example. A nutritionist wants to estimate the mean amount of sodium consumed by children under the age of 10. From a random sample of 75 children under the age of 10, the nutritionist obtains a sample mean of 2,993 milligrams of sodium consumed. So, anong population natin dito? Ay the all children under the age of 10. Okay? And our parameter, yung ating mean amount of sodium of all children under the age of 10. And for the sample, we have 75 children under the age of 10. And lastly, our numerical measurement of the sample, called the statistic, or the mean amount of 2,993 milligrams of sodium obtained from the sample of 75 children. Okay, so that is our topic about identifying the population, parameter, sample, and statistics given a situation. So I'm going to give you 5 or 6 problems related to this topic. And that will be your activity sheet number 11. So thank you.